Welcome back to Ram's tutorial. So today guys, we're going to discuss about exponential notations. How to write each number in exponential notation. Paano natin isusulat? Here are some ways to write the exponential notation. The first one is 27. How do we write it? So we need to find it. Let's say it first. Try to follow. 3 times 3 times 3. Or 3 to the third power. Why? Because when we multiply 3 times 3, the answer is 9. When we multiply 9 times 3, the answer is 27. In exponential notations, we have here 3 raised to the third power. So we have our base 3 and our exponent is 3 or third. That is 3 to the third power. This is how we're going to write number in exponential notation 227. What about in 49? 7 times 7 or equals 7 raised to the second power or 7 squared. That's how you're going to see it. Because when multiplied 7 times 7, the answer is 49. Why I'm going to write 7 squared? Because our base is 7, our exponent again is 2. Meaning to say exponent tells us how many times the base being multiplied. Kung ilang beses natin siya i-multiply. Since 2 po dito guys, so ibig sabihin dalawang beses natin i-multiply si 7, which is 7 times 7. Which is the result 49. Next, 36. 6 times 6 or 6 raised to the second power or 6 squared. Again, when we multiplied 6 times 6, the result is 36. So our base here, our exponent rather is 2 or second power, then our base is 6. Again, exponent tells us how many times we multiplied with the base. Next, 64. Okay, how do we write in exponential form? 64. 8 times 8. So, ibig sabihin guys, kapag yung multiply means 8 times 8, the result is 64. Or, we read it 8 raised to the second power or 8 squared. Okay, or 8 to the second power. Our base again is 8. Our exponent is 2. That is 64. 8 squared, 6 squared, 7 squared, 3 raised to the third power or 3 to the third power. Our last number we're going to form in exponential notation is 81 or 8 on 1. How do you write it? 9 times 9 because the result is 81 or 9 raised to the second power or 9 squared. 9 is our base, 2 is our exponent. This one is our exponent. Exponent tells us how many times we multiplied to our base. Okay? Did you understand? That is how we're going to write each number in exponential notation. 27, 3 raised to the third power, 49, 7 squared or 7 raised to the second power, 36, 6 squared or 6 to the second power, 64, 8 squared or 8 to the second power, 81, 9 squared or 9 to the second power. If you have any questions, kapag may mga katanungan po kayo or bago pa kayo sa channel ko, please do subscribe to Ram's Tutorial Educational Channel and then hit the notification bell icon so that you're updated on our latest video tutorial. Kasi kapag na-hit ninyo ang notification bell natin, yung bell natin dyan, so araw-araw po kayong ma-update kapag meron akong bagong video po. Salamat po sa pag-watch sa ating video tutorial today, exponential notation. Bye! See you next day!